Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Toyota Corolla and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we're doing is just spraying Slip Solution all over the headlight. That way we remove any contaminants that the headlight might have. So to start off the installation, we're going to apply Slip Solution onto the lens and then onto the tint itself. And we're just going to place it. And for this installation, we're going to start off by aligning it to this corner first. Once we have this section aligned, we're going to start tacking this piece down. So to tack it down, just lift the film, apply Tack Solution underneath and on top, hold it in place, and start tacking it down. And to speed up the drying process for this section here, we're going to apply heat. That way we start activating the adhesive on the film. So all we're doing is just helping the film tack down more faster. That way we're able to work on each section. Okay, now that we have this section tacked down, we're going to work to this edge here first. Stretch the film until it meets this edge here. So it is going to curve inside, and make sure while you're stretching everything is aligned. So as you can see, the film is going to lift, but that should be fine because we'll fix it afterwards. So just align it and start tacking it down. And now we're just going to work our way back to here since the film lifted. Okay, and to help fix the film on this section, because it did move when we stretched the film that way, we're just going to help it stretch this end here. So to stretch it, we're going to apply Slip Solution and stretch the film up to this top edge here. Once you have it stretched to the edge here, start tacking down and make sure the tint is covering the bottom section as well. And right here we might have to refix it, so lift the film and help the film tack down. Just take your time, help it tack down to the curve. And then the last thing to do is just remove any fingers that might come up on the headlight on this edge and any on top here. So just apply Tack Solution, and with heat and your microfiber towel, just go all around to bring any fingers down. Okay, and the last thing to do once we finish installing the tint onto the headlight is post heat all around. So to post heat, just apply Tack Solution all around the lens. And then with your heat gun and the microfiber towel, just go all around to start securing the tint to the lens. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Toyota Corolla. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.